Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Friday the 29th of June, last trading day in June. And this day we had quite a substantial gap up and basically a move sideways for the entire morning session. Today we had one trade. The maximum profit potential that we were working in was 1.5 points or 6 ticks. And our actual entries and exits, we made 1.5 points or 6 ticks. Not a fun day, but it was a okay day all in all. We took our first trade right over in this area here. When we bought it and kind of just set on it, and the market finally goes in our favor, allows us to take some profits. It moves sideways still. It does come up a little bit more, and then it comes right back down. So we were able to get out of the trade. We took a long when it did come up. We got out. Could we have gotten an extra point? Yeah, sure, but the price action just did not look good, and you can see the price did come back down. Some days you're gonna have like that. You're not gonna have 16, 18 points every day. And you're not going to have 1 or 2 point days every day, and you're not going to make money every day. But you want that consistency is what you're striving for, and that's what I coach a lot of people on, or people who take the course and stuff like that. That's what I try to talk about, is that consistency. That's what we all strive for, and so for some of us it takes longer than others, because everyone's different. But anyway, that was the trade we took. I encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Been getting some great emails lately, and keep them coming. That's what I love doing. That's why I started the site in the first place, is to be able to help other traders, or at least guide them in the right direction. I know that trading is not for everyone, and my style of trading is not for every trader. So I don't try to box people in, and that's one of the reasons I started coaching as opposed to just do the trading course. The trading course, it teaches my system, but it also teaches how to work inside the markets. So you don't necessarily have to trade the same system that I trade, but the way the course is laid out, you'd have to trade a style that's similar to mine. It'd have to be pretty similar. The coaching, on the other hand, I coach people. If they want to adapt my style and trade that way, that's fine. If they don't, I can coach them on their own trading. So I've been trading for quite a while. I know a lot. I don't know everything. I don't claim to know everything. That's I've never claimed to know everything, because I don't want to know everything. I just don't care about certain things. But if you ask me the question and I don't know, I'm going to find you the answer. I'm not going to, well, I don't do it that way. That's wrong. There are thousands of ways to trade, and there are thousands of ways to make money. There's no one way that you do it. Like golfing, for example. If you saw the movie Happy Gilmore, he did really good with his awkward golf swing. In real life, Tiger Woods had a good swing in the 90s. He was at the top of his game, but he knew to be better he had to change his swing, so he changed his entire swing. And so there's not one way to swing a golf club. There's not one way to trade. But that's what that the difference between that coaching and the course. A lot of people have been asking that question, so I figured, hey, why not talk about it on this video here. But that's the main difference. And of course, if you have any other questions, definitely email me. Right hand side of the website, my door is always open, so to speak. Just an email away, mouse click away. With that said, I do have a lot of good introductory information on the website too. On the right hand side, it's the getting started page on the top menu, so you can check that out too if you haven't already, and especially if you're new to trading. I think it's pretty good information. And with that, let's check out the news for next week. And next week starts in July. Wednesday is the 4th of July. I'm not going to be watching the screen on 4th of July, but that's what we are looking for here. I'm recording this video at 8 o'clock on Sunday night, so it is a little late, so that's why these news events have already happened. But, who cares about these news events? What we are looking for on Monday, the 2nd, at 9 o'clock, we have final manufacturing PMI. We're looking for 53. Prior readings 52.9. 10 o'clock, ISM manufacturing PMI looking for 52.1. Prior was 53.5. 10 o'clock, construction spending looking for 0.3%, same as prior. Also at 10, ISM manufacturing prices looking for 45.8. Prior was 47.5. And 1:15, FOMC member Williams is going to speak, so we'll see what he has to say. Going into Tuesday, we have 10 o'clock factory orders looking for 0.1%. Prior reading was negative 0.6. Vehicle sales, looking for that, could come out anytime. Looking for 14 million. Prior reading was 13.8. Also would like to point out Tuesday early morning, Aussie cash rate and RBA statement. That's going to be interesting if you pay attention to the global economy, which, everything is kind of correlated now. Everything, plays off each other. Aussie, gold, the markets, stuff like that. So that's a big one. Wednesday is the 4th of July, so it is a U.S. banking holiday. Thursday, we are 7:30 in the morning, Challenger job cuts. 66.7% was the prior reading, and that's a year-over-year number. 8:30, actually 8:15, ADP non-farm employment change, looking for 101,000. Prior reading was 133. ECB press conference at 8:30 should be interesting since Europe's in the news. Also at 8:30, unemployment claims, looking for 385 versus 386. So Thursday is going to be an interesting morning. The euro minimum bid rate, NFP coming out, unemployment, ECB press conference, and then at 10 o'clock we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI looking for 53.1. Prior reading is 53.7. And natural gas storage 10:30. Prior readings 57 billion. And 11 o'clock crude oil inventories. Prior reading was negative 0.1 million. And Friday we have 8:30 in the morning is the NFP. Non-farm employment change looking for 92,000. Prior reading was 69. Unemployment rate 8.2% is where we're looking at, same as the prior reading. Average hourly earnings looking for 0.2%. Prior reading was 0.1. And that is it, my friends. So that's what we're looking for this coming week that we're going into. I hope everyone had a safe holiday. A safe weekend. And of course, happy 4th of July, everyone. I know it's a couple days away, but celebrating America's independence is, it should happen more than just one day. I think, we should definitely be happy. You wake up, in America, there's a lot of history to it. Yeah, there's some more history in other countries just because they've been around longer. But, I think you should definitely be proud of your own country if you're from America. If not, be proud of your country. But, I think, where you come from is definitely important. And I'm going to end it there. I don't really want to get into a philosophical argument or anything like that. But anyway, hope everyone did enjoy this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you click the Twitter, Facebook, or like buttons. Definitely show your support. I'd really, really appreciate it. Thanks for all the emails, everyone. Thanks for supporting the site. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.